The choices we make define who we become. Sometimes the results are rewarding and sometimes very challenging. My story began in the majestic Himalayan mountains, and I spent months learning mountaineering with the legendary Tenzing Norgay. Those challenging climbs taught me discipline and the courage to take informed risk. At the time, I did not realize it, but later in my life, those lessons came handy to guide me in complex ups and downs of life. I have been very adventurous and I'm very fond of making crucial decisions in a shorter period. And possibly that was one of the reasons why I wanted to become a surgeon. It demanded a skilled and compassionate approach towards my patients and of course their families. My journey began in a few hospitals before joining Max Healthcare. While I was in the US, I witnessed a few laparoscopic procedures being performed for the first time at a conference. At the moment, I fell in love with this technique and realized it was my deep calling. With a small, determined team by my side, we built India's first dedicated department for minimally invasive surgery. That moment marked a historical beginning, the birth of an entirely new surgical super specialty. My team is with me for 38 years. Not a single person has changed. And it is not in India, but in the world, there is no team which has lasted for such a long time. I've been fortunate to operate on the President of India, the Dalai Lama, and dignitaries from around the world. But my responsibility remains the same with every person who places their faith in me. Evening is one of the best times when I have met my operated patients. Just a few minutes presence makes it a lovely evening. Personal life is the other side of the coin and always complements one's professional life. Susmita, my wife, is a qualified and talented artist. She opened the door to a creative world. I began collecting art early in my career, and over time this hobby evolved, and today we take pride in enjoying and possessing quite a few important artworks and sculptures. I am blessed that my home is always filled with music and creativity. We have a very cohesive, well-knit family with a lot of positivity. In my career, I have performed over 1 lakh surgeries. What touches me most is when generations to generations of my patients trust me, and that is an honor. I believe that no matter what height you climb, whether in the mountains or in life, it is the family and friends you surrounded yourself with that keeps you grounded always. Every day I enjoy learning something new and evolving as a better human being for tomorrow. And it's my passion which keeps me going, and I feel that every day should be better than the previous day.